Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. Ha, you looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I will be showing you guys how I installed and styled this hair from Isee Hair. This is their new upgraded glueless unit, and I am so in love with it. Literally, y'all, this process only took me about 10 minutes to do. I literally only had to take the hair out of the box and flatten it out and style it, and I was done. So I will be showing you guys the entire process in this video. Of course, all the links on this hair will be listed down below. And if you want to learn more about the upgraded version of their glueless units, just keep on watching. But before we hop into it, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. And also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, you can lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, let's just go ahead and hop right into this. Alright, so you guys, today we're gonna be, of course, reviewing another review, as you guys can see by the opening of this video. But today, this one is a little bit different. Isee Hair has made some improvements to their glueless unit, in which I'm gonna show you guys, and we're gonna talk a little bit about it. Because as you guys know, Isee Hair was one of my favorite glueless wigs because it was just so easy to install the first time. So for them to make even more improvements is a little bit insane. But they did send me a demo of basically their cap, and I'm going to show you guys like the different things that they told me that they changed. The main thing is that they changed it to a M cap. As you guys can see, it is a lot of lace space on this thing. And then there are some combs in here which are movable. You can take them and you can move them wherever you need them on the unit, which is very, very innovative. I have never ever seen this before, where you can move the combs. Normally, once you take a comb off, you gotta sew it back onto the wig cap. So this is crazy that you can actually move it around. Another thing that they have improved is, and I noticed this a lot with trying on glueless wigs, the cap was always just round. There was no cut around the ear to make the ear comfortable. They have upgraded their wig caps, as you guys can see right here, for your ears to be comfortable, which is a game changer because this is gonna make glueless wigs even more comfortable to wear. And then they also include an elastic band on the inside of the cap, which is adjustable, completely adjustable. You can make this big or smaller to fit the wig to your head. But guys, this is basically what the cap looks like without the hair on it. So now I'm going to show you guys the actual wig. This is the unit. I have a straight unit, and it is so thick and pretty. Another thing that they have improved is they have added their 250% density, which is basically just a thicker wig, to their glueless wig collection. So we're gonna pop this bad boy on and we're gonna see what she's giving. I have not tried it on yet, but what I can see is that the knots are super small. It appears to be pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So yeah, let's just go ahead and pop it on. As you guys can see, I already have my wig cap on. I don't have any makeup on it. We're gonna see if I need it or if I don't. But yeah, so basically, as you guys can see, it is the same cap. It is just with hair on it. So let's go ahead and try this thing on. Okay, so I can definitely feel the difference around my ear. That is crazy. I'm just gonna move it into place. My wig cap slid back just a little bit, so I'm just going to pull it back forward and place the wig back down. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I of course have to add some makeup to my wig cap, but as you guys can see, the unit already looks amazing. Like, the lace on this is crazy. You cannot even see it. Like, hold on, let me go ahead and put some makeup on it so that you guys can see how invisible it is, because I feel like if I don't cover this, then you guys won't be able to get like the full gist. So let me go ahead and put some makeup on my wig cap. See if that did the trick. All right, now you guys can see that this lace is practically invisible. Like, you cannot see this lace. Honestly, it goes a little bit further to my temples, so I can see the improvement in the size of the lace, which also makes it a little bit more similar to a frontal. And this way you can kind of move the hair If you wanted to tuck it behind your ears or something, it's not gonna look as strange. So now, of course, y'all already know I have to customize the wig. I have to go ahead and flatten it out. Even though this is pretty good for it to be straight out of the box, I still have to do my one too. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and flatten it out with my hot comb. And I'm gonna use some hairspray and some wax stick to go ahead and lay it down. But the actual hair itself, I'm not gonna add any product to. I'm just going to straighten it out. But just to flatten it out, I will use just a tad bit of product. I always like to take my Tresemme and spray it over the top. And I'm just gonna comb that product through. And now I'm gonna take my hot comb and go ahead and flatten it out. And this part of the process is optional, but if you want your wig to look super duper good, then I suggest that you flatten your wig out every single time. I would never ever skip this step in any wig at all. Also going to take this time to go ahead and adjust the part and make sure that it's right in the middle. It's already looking more flat. And I just like to do this until I feel like it is as flat as it can be. And another thing I will always do to mimic a frontal, I just love the pushback look. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Got2b spray, and I'm gonna take an edge toothbrush, and I'm just gonna push the edges of this wig away from my face so that it's not falling straight down, like giving that wiggy look, if that makes sense. So I'll show you guys how I do it. So I'm just gonna take the brush side and I'm gonna spray. Then I'm just gonna use my finger as I'm brushing it. I'm just gonna hold it back like so. And then I'm just gonna use my hot comb and go over this just to make sure that it stays. So now when I comb the hair back down, as you guys can see, it is kind of like, it just gives a better look to me. I love the way that it looks when it looks like the hair is growing out of your scalp and then coming down rather than just coming down, if that makes sense. All right, now that I have pretty much the top of the wig flattened out, I'm gonna go ahead and start to straighten out this wig. So as you guys can see, this wig is pretty long. I believe that it is 28 inches. All right, so now I'm just gonna go through and flat iron this hair, even though it is already pretty straight. I just wanna go ahead and get it bone straight, just so you guys can see it. I can already tell a huge difference in the density of the wig. The last glueless wig that I received from Isee Hair, it was just a tad bit thinner than this one. Like I told you guys, they have upgraded to 250 density. Although I do feel like the end of this wig could be a little bit thicker, it is definitely more hair than it was before, so I appreciate the upgrade. I'm just gonna go ahead and start to flat iron this wig out. That is pretty much the final look. I love the way that this hair looks. It is so freaking pretty, and all I had to do with this hair was take it out of the box, put it on my head, and flatten it out. Literally, that is it. That's all I had to do. And of course, flat iron it. But as far as installing it or anything, this is 100% glueless. I did not have to use any makeup on the lace. All I literally had to do was style the unit, and this wig is so cute. Like, I love it. This is gonna be like my new wig when I just need to go somewhere right quick. and I just need to throw it on. The hair on this unit is so gorgeous. As you guys can see, the movement is there. I did not apply any product at all to this hair, so this is just how it looks. I am very, very pleased with this unit. I would just like to say thank you, Isee Hair, for sending me another bomb glueless unit. This one is I didn't even know that it could get better, and it got better. Like, are you kidding me? Like, they're literally making it easier and easier and easier to put on a wig. That is pretty much it for this video, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, that is the end of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.